Hi all. Hope everyone of you are really doing great. I'm Ravindranath and I come with more than a decade of experience in both taking interviews as well as giving interviews. Today I'm going to talk about one very important question that comes to everyone's mind after they complete their graduation. Should I go for higher education or should I go for a job? Right? Yes, everyone has this question and nobody has the exact answer or the right answer. So there are a few things that you need to consider upon which you can make some logical conclusion as to whether you really are interested in a job or are you really looking for a higher education. Uh, just you need to start with one question: why? Why do you want to go for a higher education? Is it that you have some subject that you really loved it, fall in love with it, you want to pursue something, you want to understand it even more better in more advanced way? That is when you really are looking for a higher education. If you're looking for higher education so that you have an extra degree and that extra degree is going to help you in your career, that is not the right way to take the decision. Because there are so many jobs already in the market, like companies. Even during part of your job, you'll be able to pursue your higher education. If it's just a degree that want after your name, that will do. And if you're looking for your higher education so that you want to really learn something, contribute something, bring in some research work, that is when I would be recommending for you to go for higher education. Hi all, hope you like the video and I believe that this has definite valuation for your career path. And if you really like it, please like it, share it, and we'll hear from you.